Bobo. Cuckoo. You guys wouldn't just mind the way I look. So we traveled. It's 2 days now. I did not pick my camera to vlog. We just arrived in our second hotel. I just want to do a little tour for you guys because this trip is really, how will I, is nice, but with baby alone. Hey guys, let me tell you guys, if you travel with baby alone, it's difficult. All this while I've been traveling, I travel with my baby. My mom-in-law will be there, or when my mom was around, my mom will be there, or with hubby. I have never really traveled with baby alone. This trip, if I tell you guys, is a trip to remember because it's not easy. Carrying luggages, everything is not easy at all. I'm not even joking. So before it's scatter, before it's, you guys can hear him calling me. Before it's scatter everywhere. Let me just show you guys what we have. Don't mind because I've opened everything down. Let me show you guys. So when you come in like this, okay, see our bags are here. We've already dropped our bags. You see all what I'm carrying. You guys can see all what I'm carrying. To tell you guys that it's not easy. This is our load. So this is me here. You guys can see. Baby is here. You guys can see him dragging me. See his hand. See his hand. He's drawing me that we should go outside. We want to go out because he has been so cranky. They have a chair here and here. So this is just basically it. It's a simple room, double bed for us because I'll be sleeping with baby. They said they don't have baby cot, so I took a double bed like this so that it will be big. Here they. It has fallen my bag. There's a back on here, and there's a chair here. Here there's a wardrobe. I had to remove the intercom because immediately we entered, we started pressing that. Yeah. And let me show you guys. See, he has put my bag on the floor. You guys can see my bag. He put my bag on the floor. They added 2 towels here for us. Then the bathroom. I've washed baby bottle inside since we came in. You guys can see water everywhere because baby just started. See, there's this corner here to shower and restroom. Okay, simple, it's basic, but it's better than nothing. Okay, and set shovel, hair dryer. If I tell you guys the other hotel that we were, I couldn't find any fuse like this to plug Babyliss or my hot comb, but here the positive thing is that they have it here. So yeah, hello. So this is me. Hello. My hair is just everywhere. You guys don't mind, just pardon this because you see my hair here, everything. I just need to take baby out right now so that he can just take fresh air. See, bring the luggage here. Oh yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so we are back home. The trip, I would say it was okay because you guys, I only show you guys I showed you guys the hotel. From there I did not pick my camera to vlog because when we left that hotel, the last hotel I showed you guys, then from there we went to Lyon to see my friend. We were with my friend and her kids. Maybe that's why I did not vlog. Even when I was alone with baby, I did not vlog. Baby is here, he's just jumping up and down. When we came back, we went to my mom-in-law's place, and from there I was sick. I went to the hospital.
Yes, this is me. I've been in this hospital since morning. I'm not feeling fine. They've done series of tests. The remaining one, as I'm recording this is past 1 a.m. I've been here since yesterday, and they are not done. the last thing they want to do. They said it's okay. Up till now, I've been here. They've not done it. I told the lady I'm having headache. My head is aching me badly. So she said there's nothing she can do. I'll show you guys my hands. They gave me drip the other time. Let me remove my hand and show you guys. You guys can see. You see that? They gave me drip this afternoon. I was thinking everything will be okay so that I can go home and meet my son up till now. So I went to complain to the lady because I was just sitting there waiting. She now prepared this place that I'm lying for me. See, because it's past 1, almost to 2 a.m. See, I'm sleeping in the corridor. Let me show you. You guys saw that corridor, and I'm alone here, no other person. They've not attended to me. I'm so tired, and the worst of all, I've not eaten since morning, not even anything. I've not taken anything since morning. Oh my gosh, this life. If person should tell me that, someone should tell me that today I will be in hospital, I will say, what are you saying? I never planned for this. But anyway, I give God thanks. Yeah, this is where I am. I just finished talking with my mom-in-law. I say my baby is okay because she's the one taking care of my baby, and I told my hubby to go and join her so that they can take care of baby. Yeah. See, they are giving me another drip.
But that is a story for another day. If I tell you guys up till now, still on medications, I don't know what happened. My lower abdomen, I was feeling serious pain. So I had to see my doctor. My doctor said I should go to the hospital. They said it's appendix. Later it's not appendix. So thank God everything is okay. The reason why I left with baby is because of my kitchen renovation, but I've been telling you guys for years that they are going to renovate my kitchen. You guys can even see. You can see from what you're seeing is not what you used to see before. Babies at the back. Leave them. I was busy talking with you guys. Not knowing baby was busy scattering what I want to share with you guys. Because there's a bag I want to share with you guys. He was just busy scattering everything. Anyway, brief, as I was saying, the kitchen I'm going to show you guys is not yet finished. I'm just everywhere anyway. I'm everywhere. You guys should just pardon me because, hey, I'm trying to regain myself. Yes. So the kitchen is not done yet. The work is still much. They've done little parts. So I will show you guys, but just hold on, not today. I will do a full video showing you guys when the whole work is completed. But you guys can see from what you see from the side, you can see that then the kitchen has changed. It's not like before. So that is by the way. And why we traveled is because of the kitchen, that they wanted to start the kitchen. I cannot really stay with baby because of dust. My hubby said, no, you guys cannot stay here. So that was why we really traveled. From there, when we finished from where we went to my friend's place. Then from my friend's place, my hubby called me, no, you guys cannot come home now. You still have to stay with baby. So what are we going to do? We went to my mom-in-law's place. We stayed there. From there, I was ill. We came back home, everywhere dusty. If I tell you guys, the dust in this house, I'm still cleaning. Even today, I want to try to arrange the dishes because part of the kitchen is done. You can see how my kitchen is bright. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you guys this kitchen because I'm so happy and so excited. This is what I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming of this kitchen. If I tell you guys, I've been dreaming of this kitchen for years. Finally, the kitchen is done. It's not finished though because they did some parts, they stopped. and they are coming back in a month time to finish the other side. The staircase is not done, the other side of the staircase is not done, the door is not finished, the tiles, they've not finished some work. Even with the cabinet, the up is still open, they've not closed it. So many things are still remaining. So that is why I don't want to share it with you guys right now. I just want everything to finish, then I will share it with you guys. I changed everything in this kitchen. When I mean everything, I changed everything. We had to like buy another microwave because the one we bought a new microwave before, not knowing there's a cabinet, how they call it, is an inbuilt microwave, something like that. There's a way they call it, I forgot the name. We had to buy that. You know, you guys know our fridge is new, our how do they call it, oven is new. The only thing that is not new in this kitchen is the dishwasher. The dishwasher is not new, and I'm thinking of changing the dishwasher because it was faulty, but plugging it, I thought that is working, so I don't think I'm going to change it again. So yeah, so today while I am here, I want to share a bag with you guys. So the bag, I got it from a website called faithkeybiz. I'm going to put their website, the link of their website on the description box. I will also put it on the screen, so if you're interested you can check it out. And I was able to secure a discount code for you guys. If you use that discount code, you're going to get 5% off. So the code is Chelsea. When you use that code, you're going to get 5% off your purchase. If I tell you, I got this bag before I traveled. I even said I would take it with me to share with you guys because I was having a plan that I'm going to carry the bag when I travel, but unfortunately, I did not carry it. I did not take it along with me. I left it at home because I was carrying too much things. My load was too much, so that is why I did not carry the bag. So this bag, I've received it since long. I said I need to share this with you guys. This is how it came in this box. You can see it's Hermes. Let's open. They have all this inside. This is the website, faithkeybiz.ru. okay, and this is the bag. I've opened it though. I've opened it. It was inside. They've kept this also. I've opened this before, like I said. Yeah. Voila. I love the color. I love the size. Oh, it's so portable. I really love the size. It's so portable. I have some MS bags, but they are bigger than this one. This one is just portable. So something that I can just put my phone, put lip gloss, put little things, my makeup, and I'm good to go. It's not too big. I love it. So this is it. In case if you're interested, you can head to the website. If you go there, you will see the deals on all types of luxuries, all types of high-end, all types of anything you're looking for that is high-end, that is luxury. If you love designers, just go to faithkeybiz, something like that. Let me see the name again if I'm not mistaken. The name of the website is faithkeybiz.ru. because they got your bag, they have everything there. So you can see that I've not removed all this before. Okay, it's so lovely. Came with strap. As you can see, there's a strap. The inside. Guys, this is it. There's the strap. Okay, it's so portable. I really love it. So yeah, that is it. My face is so white here. I don't know, since I got this Osmo Pocket 3. You guys know my old one was faulty. I had to return it and they sent me another one. Maybe that's why I've not been vlogging too. Since they sent me this one, I've not really configured it. I just on it now. I think I on it when I traveled to use it, and this is the second time or the third time I'm using it. I've not really configured anything, touched anything, so maybe the video will be too white, I don't know. And coupled with the background that is white, everything is white like this. I just filmed one video today. Is a wig. I filmed a video. You guys are going to see it. Maybe you'll see this vlog before that video, or this vlog before that hair review, or the hair review before this vlog. Anyone, you guys are going to see it. My hubby had to stay home so that I can film, because with the renovation, yesterday we did a lot of cleaning, myself and my hubby. I couldn't film because I film on Sundays. I just asked him to, I said, please just stay home so that I can just film that review that hair, which I did. And all thanks to him. And they went for shopping, himself and baby. They just came back from shopping. I said, okay, let me show you guys the bag that I wanted to show you guys for long. And yeah, that is it. I think this vlog is not going to be like my other vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope so. Share, like, okay, and if you haven't subscribed, join the gorgeous family. Subscribe. I told you this is 2025. You need to join the gorgeous family. Subscribe. We are happy so far the way we are growing. Okay, join the gorgeous family. We are blessed here. Yeah.